Hi lovelies, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you make home and entertaining simple. I just got back from a 10-day trip to Prague and Budapest. I went with my daughter. It is for a work conference, so it's my third time to Prague and my first time to Budapest, and it was our first time to Europe ever. We had such a great time, and in this video I'm going to show you what I packed for that 10-day trip to Prague and Budapest. I'm also going to show you the things that I didn't use so that I know next time these are things that I don't need to bring. This is the carry-on luggage that I used, and I've used this before. It is actually my husband's, and I believe I got it at TJ Maxx. About 19 by 14 by 9.5. Okay, this luggage does expand if I wanted to, but I try to keep it closed because I know that's what will fit in the overhead compartment in the airplane. I'm also on kit.com, so if you want to see those items that I recommend, check out the description box below. So all of my clothes fit in that underseat carry-on, but I use this carry-on luggage because I had to bring some of my camera gear. It's got my extra battery, an extra battery for my DSLR, and then of course the gimbal. Okay, so when I go through the security, I try to put all the electronics and the clear bag within grabbing distance when I open up my bag. Okay, so here I would just grab this, put it on the conveyor belt. I would grab this, put it in the bin, and then I would open this up, and then my camera gear is here to the bottom left versus one here, one there, one there. You know, just try to keep it in one place. And that just makes it more efficient for yourself, for the people behind you in the line. And some airports make you take off your shoes, so you just want to plan all the things that you'll be putting in the bin and just put it in your bags appropriately. So here is the mini camera bag that I have for my DSLR, and I have an extra SD card in here in this little pocket. Okay, and then there is one in the camera, so I just have it taken apart without the lens, make sure I have the cover. And then I have the regular lens in there. So this is just a lens bag that you can get from Amazon, and it's just a slightly longer lens, which is great for taking better close-ups of people. Since I knew there were 2 days of my work conference, I started with that outfit. So I decided to wear these skinny black pants for both days. I had this floral blouse. Here is the cami that I used for that. And I think I got this, gosh, I can't remember if it was Target or something. So a cami for that. And then the second blouse was this black one. Okay. So just very simple, kind of like a business casual. So I wore the same shoes, the same pants for both days of the work conference. So now that I know what I was going to wear for the work conference, I thought about the rest of my itinerary, which was sightseeing. And in that sightseeing, there's a lot of bus tours and walking tours. So I wanted to be comfortable, so I brought this pair of jeans. So I had that and this gray one. Actually, I should take this out because that was what I wore on the plane. Okay, so I just had a black t-shirt. So you see just very basic colors. And then I had another cami. The back is crisscrossed like that. I thought that was pretty. And then I brought 2 kimonos. And what I've found is sometimes it's not that cold, and it's nice to just have kind of like a kimono here. And I ended up wearing these kimonos like twice each of them twice. And then I knew I was going to go to a concert and go to church, so I brought this black cotton dress, just very casual, and I wore it with the same ballet flats that I wore for my work conference. All of these are clean because I got to do laundry at the Airbnb that we stayed at, but I wore this shirt, sorry it's wrinkled, and then my yoga pants, and then this was actually a shirt that I ended up not wearing. And the reason I ended up not wearing it is because I did not look at the Airbnbs that I was staying at, and they had no iron. So, oh well, I didn't use that. This packing cube fits here at the bottom, and then I always pack my bag that I bring along with me when I go sightseeing, and this is just a Bagolini bag I've had for years. Here I brought an extra bag that folds into itself. So this is what I bring when I went to the market. So I like to bring an extra bag, and then sometimes I end up getting souvenirs, but my souvenirs are always food. So I did end up using that for my souvenirs. And then for my earrings, I have this, it's actually a pill box that I got from Walmart, and I just have my different earrings there. So the ones I did not use were 1, 2, 3 earrings. I only used the other 3. And then I also did not end up using my bungee, because the tote that I got for my laptop actually has a strap in the back, or kind of a slip-on thing in the back to put on the luggage handle. And then I always bring my little laundry bag. So it's the same packing cubes that I have. This packing cube has my bathing suit and pajamas in there. So I use the same set of pajamas the whole trip. And we did go to the Széchenyi baths in Budapest, so I had to bring my bathing suit. So when you're doing your itinerary, those are the things as far as outfits that we have to think about. So of course, I normally wouldn't bring a bathing suit in September to Europe, but we were going to the thermal baths. You have to rent a towel. So the towels are $10 each, and that's just a rental. So I made sure with my Airbnb host if I could borrow his towels and bring it with us, which he said totally fine, just make sure to bring it back. So we did that, and so I didn't have to pay the $20 for 2 towels. So those are the things to think about when you're packing. And then in this packing cube, it has underwear and 1 extra bra. And then I also brought 4 pairs of socks. And then in this one I have my hairbrush. And so I brought my flip-flops for the baths, and I just wore it on the bus going there. And then these are the ballet flats that I use for my work. These are from H&M. And then I brought this jacket with a hood on the airplane. These are the ones that I did not wear. This gray t-shirt and this maroon top. The 3 earrings, but everything else I used. So I thought that was pretty efficient. I also wanted to note that you could see from this packing, I usually roll all my clothes, but because I had to put my camera in this section here, some of the clothes I just folded flat and put it on top. Here you can see I have lotion, and then I have Lysol spray, hairspray, toothpaste, a little bit of perfume, mouthwash. Then I have face sunscreen, and then my eyelash conditioner. This bag is the Sophia Joy brand from Target. I went to Target yesterday, and I did see Sophia Joy there, but not this particular style. I think this is great if it ever comes back, or if it is back. It has these snaps here that you can take off, so you could just bring this bag, or you can just bring this bag. So that is how I packed for my 10-day trip to Prague and Budapest, and the things that I ended up not using. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you definitely would have to bring on a trip to Europe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.